Use place value to name whole numbers. Write each number in words. So for number 13, we have 6,000, comma. Remember, the commas go in the same place in the words as they do in the numbers. 415. There is not the word and in there. When people say it out loud, they like to say things like 415, but that is not actually correct. For number 14, we have 28,000. And yes, there is a hyphen in 28. 906. For number 15, 304,000. 718. For number 16, we have 7,052,000. 193. For number 17, remember that when we look at these, that those are hundreds, those are thousands, those are millions. So we have 89 million. 406,000. 27. For number 18, once again, let's remember that here we have hundreds, here we have thousands, here we have millions, which makes us billions. So we have 3 billion. 614,000,000. 250,000. 908. For number 19, we have 42 million. With those zeros there, we don't need to write anything for the thousand. 319. Okay, and for this last one, 705,000,000. 80,006.